Okay, so this table here on your manual as well is everything you need to get your height of center of gravity out of today's lab setting. So let's take a look at each component together with the equation we just got. So the equation looks like this: C equals to something, something, something. So the first thing would be the mass of the reaction board, which is WB. Also in the equation is WB here. And the length of the reaction board is actually 2L, right? Because based on the free body diagram, we identify L as half of the length of the board. So 2L would be the length of reaction board. And with that 2L here and L here, those are necessary components in the equation. And the third one would be your body mass. We're not going to really get your body mass today, but just in a concept, it's the body mass of this guy lying on the board. So it's W here. So let's revisit the equation again. Fs will be the scale reading here. 2L will be the length of the board. And WB will be the weight of the board. L will be half of the length of the board. And W will be your body weight. Okay, so next step, actually, the scale reading is always changing. Remember that. So it's not a fixed number, and based on the situation and also based on the subject. So the first is scale reading with board only. So this is the situation. With board only means there is no human lying on it. And we got Fs here by the scale reading. And the question here, think about, I'm not going to give you the answer, but that's a really important concept. Is the scale reading here in this situation equal to the board's mass, WB here? So would WB be equal to Fs in this situation? Alright, I'm going to give you an answer actually. The answer is no. And Fs would be 1 over 2 WB. So think about why. So that's the Fs with board only. And then somebody's going to lie on a board, and with the arms by sides, we'll have a scale reading here. And that's another Fs. So when you put a human here with arms by side, you get a scale reading. And we're going to have the number here. And the next step, we're going to raise our arms. And after raising the arms, the scale reading will change. And we'll have to put it here. So that's scale reading with your arms overhead, Fs. So with those procedures, we can get all the numbers in the table and calculate the height of our center of gravity, C. So before really jumping into data collection and data analysis, I want you to practice right now of solving the free body diagram problem and derive the equation by yourself. So let's finish question 1 to 4 on the manual before you proceed to the next video.